it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. So I've said it so many times that Stitch Fix is one of my favorite subscription boxes that I get, but the last couple of boxes have kind of been a miss for me. Well, this one that you're about to see could be a hit. Maybe. Could be 5 out of 5. So I'm not even going to chat about anything. We're just going to get into it because I know that's what you're here for. First thing let's do is jewelry. I have a pair of Kate Spade cute blue and gold studs. These are called That Sparkle Round Earring. They call the color teal green. I say it's more of a blue. These are 38 bucks. They also come with this cute little bag to hold your jewelry in, which I think is really cute. I don't own any Kate Spade jewelry, probably because it is a little bit pricey. I know 38 bucks is not that much money in the grand scheme of things, but for a pair of stud earrings, it is a little bit pricey for me. I like them. I wouldn't wear them every day because they are that blue color, but I would wear them some. You know, so I don't know if the 38 bucks is worth it or if I need to pass them up. So y'all let me know in the comment section because this video will go live before I need to send this box back. So I need to know what you think. Now let's talk about my favorite thing in the entire box, but there's a problem with it. All right, so it is this City Chic romper. Here we go. It is flutter sleeve. It's a beautiful floral pattern. It zips up the back and it is too small. It will not zip, for the life of me. There's no way that this is zipping. It's not just oh, it's a little snug. It's this far from touching to zip. So it's way too small. It's in a size medium, which for City Chic is a size 18. And I was a little worried when I pulled it out that it would be a little bit snug, but I didn't think it would be that small because that dress that I just wore on vacation or on our anniversary trip, the black City Chic dress, is also in a size medium, which is an 18. And then there's something else in here that I'll show you. So I thought that it would fit, just be a little bit snug because of the fabric and the shape and all that stuff. But I really, really love this. I would like to exchange this for a size or maybe 2 larger. So let me know if y'all think I should do that or should I just hold off because it is a little bit pricey. Let's see. This is called the Heart Ruffle Detail Woven Romper. It is $119. So let me know if you think I should exchange it because this could be really cute in Jamaica for our trip. Next, let's talk about this. How funny is this? So I just, in my Marshalls video, tried on a yellow and white striped linen top. I didn't end up getting it. And then this one comes from Stitch Fix. This is the Madewell brand. It's in a size 2X. It's a little bit snug on my arms. Madewell is plus size, but they do have a lot of their stuff is cropped. I own a sweater that's a full length, full sleeve sweater and everything, but it's cropped. So I like it, but I think that I would need a size larger just to fit my arms a little bit better. And then maybe the size larger in turn would be a little bit longer. But it is really cute. I love this kind of top for summer. I think it's really flattering. I think it's really comfortable and just pretty. And I like it. But yeah, it's just a little bit snug. So this is called the Felicia button-down top in a size 2X. It is $69.50, which surprises me because I know Madewell is pricey. So $69.50 surprises me for this. I thought it would be more. So this is the other item I was talking about related to the romper. So these are a pair of City Chic flowy shorts. These are in a size large, which is a size 20, and they just have elastic in the back. So I just pulled them up. I don't think they unzip or anything anywhere. I love these. Just the plain black with a flutter ruffle detail on the bottom. These are called the Eleanor Ruffle Short. They are $64. Okay, so my very first box ever, I want to say that I got from Stitch Fix was a 5 out of 5 box. And I got a pair of shorts very similar to this. I'm pretty sure they were City Chic, but they were black with a floral pattern on them. I never wore them. To this day, I've never worn them. So I actually just ended up selling them maybe a month ago. So I never wore them. So that's my issue with these. Do I keep them or not? Am I going to wear them? Here's my theory. I think that I will wear these because they're plain black. and they're really comfortable and they're really cute. And the very last thing in my box is this white, I don't know why I want to call it like an apron style top or like a bib style top. So it kind of has this extra layer of fabric right here that kind of puckers out on the side. This is the brand Daniel Rainn in a size 2X. This is really pretty. This is very like girly, not dainty so much because it's a thick fabric, but it's just very girly and like southern to me. I think the fit is great. I think that the size is great. However, it does have this, which I appreciate at the same time, this tank top underneath that's not attached all the way. So it's kind of, it was kind of a hassle to figure out how it worked to get it on because it was only attached at the armpits. Anyway, if you've ever tried one of those dresses or shirts that's got the slit made underneath it, but it's only attached like by a teeny little thread at the shoulders, and it can just like flip inside out and all that stuff inside of the shirt or dress, then you know what I'm talking about. But for the most part, this is really pretty. This is called the Nickel Embroidery Detail Top, $64. I did ask for a new stylist last box that we did together. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that too. So I did get a new stylist. Her name, his name, Blake Lindsay. Could be a guy, could be a girl. All right, so let's talk price now. So the total for everything in my box is $354.50. If you buy all 5 items from Stitch Fix, you get 25% off. That makes it $88.63 cheaper. I don't pay a styling fee for every box that I get. I signed up for the Style Pass a while ago. So it's a $49 fee you pay one time for the year, and you don't pay that $20 styling fee every time you get a box. You can get a box every 2 weeks if you want, once a month if you want. You can skip a month. It's the same deal, but you don't pay that 20 bucks every time that you get a box. So that's what I did. So if I kept everything in the box, my total is $265.87. So here's where I need your help, your opinion. The yellow and white striped top is a little bit snug. I'd like a size larger. I love those black shorts. The romper, do I exchange it for a size or 2 larger, or do I wait? The earrings, I will wear them, but not as much as I wear like these kind of just solid color studs. What else do we have? The white top. I like the white top, but do I like it because it fits properly and it's different, you know? So I'll leave a link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. I'll also try to find these items or similar ones and link those down below. That way if you don't want to sign up for the box, or if you're not already a member and can request these things, then you can just buy them outright. Also, let me know in the comment section what you liked, what you didn't like. I always appreciate your comments. I read every single one of them. So thanks for watching. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.